because they do testimony, yes, maybe they will go to very well. But protocol not sensitive.
That we wait.
Stop.
Wait now. We are not the one that we made this now.
By that everybody come out here now. We'll not be able to see you guys back. Don't try.
What the BOT member wanted to take now?
They are going inside. Give me your camera. Let me go and capture it for them.
I didn't take that BOT member.
What the? We don't take our banana.
Ṣé mi lè wọlé bí ẹni pé bí ẹni kò ṣe àwọn máa mọ̀ àwọn tí wọ́n mọ̀ àwọn tó bí ẹni náà sọ.
Ilé ẹ̀rọ gan nìkan wà gan.
Báyà ń sọ.
I see this guy. I didn't pursue this guy.
Members from coming into the secretariat, telling them that there is no meeting.
Sorry, they were stopping who?
BOT members from entering. My only offense is that I said there is meeting of BOT. That's my only offense. I've not said anything more than that before they started insulting me and bungling me out of the office. I'm a staff of the National Secretariat of the PDP. This kind of thing cannot continue. One man cannot hold the whole country to ransom. We are holding our meeting here today. They should open the place for us to hold our meeting. That's all. One man cannot hold this country to ransom. What is our offense as a party?
Who is that man?
My name is Ibu Thomas.
Who is that man that's holding?
Inyeson Wike is the man.
Well, you know, I don't even know where to start. Because, you see, whoever you see here has been invited for this BOT meeting. This BOT meeting. And we are all invited to come and attend this BOT meeting. And as of this time now, nobody gave me any instruction, any notice from anywhere that this meeting is not holding. And I came here with confidence to enter this place. And I'm surprised. The policeman stopped me and said there's no meeting. Why? He said there is an order from the top. He cannot answer that question. So I don't know really.
Did they mention the person when they say order from the top? Is he the IG?
I don't know. Is the DPO there? He's him there. He's the one who stopped me and said, when I asked him, okay, as far as I'm concerned, this meeting has been scheduled for now. And if you say there is no meeting, why? He said he could not answer that question. Why can't you answer it? You say from the top. The top, I don't know which top. So for me, I can only give you an answer, a political answer. But security answer, you see the DPO. That's the only thing I can tell you.
But I understand before now that the BOT meeting was to precede the expanded caucus.
Yes.
Will the expanded caucus also hold? Since they are depriving...
Well, since they have stopped the BOT, then I don't know. That's why I said I can only give you answer based on political question. But whatever is going to be security questions that stopped this meeting, I cannot answer that. So I think the DPO is there waiting. So if you finish here, you can go and ask him and he will be able to tell you. But certainly for me, I came for this meeting. I'm a repented member of the PDP. And where the PDP called me for a meeting, I will go. And I'm here for it.
Thank you so much. Your name, sir?
My name is Senator Umar Ibrahim Sauli, the immediate personal national secretary of the PDP. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Damn.
You want to let cross? Now only you want to let cross. You and you come here.
Sorry, no,
Who? They mention name make I hear.
Who are me? Mary. I beg you, small time.
Say, Lily. Hi.
Hello, John.
Come. Here, enter my camera. What's the problem?
and our cousin Senate.
No, my sugar daddy. See.
And you're taking money from me, you're taking from me.
Damn it.
After I don't collect it,
You know what? It can happen. I mean, just come to me and show. So, I don't even understand. Look, you see the second. I came running. I told him to go and tell them. Hey, I bet.
The neck hole is open.
Oh, it's open.
I will still there.
That is what
I was saying they arrest that they don't need to give any notice again because they are flowing from the decision of the last night. Oh, but the party claimed it. No, the party claimed it. That's why they termed this one, this appointed one, at 100. So they are fixed. That is the problem they have. They are saying since that next they say no any legal organ. And that is why this person was harassing you this day. I think you're supposed to be very, very angry. What did make you go?
They don't want to put
This road is the one. So you also take this side. The map is this side. They are not the actors. They have to give way. You the try it. From that your distance, you don't come here this morning. I know what I'm saying. Now, imagine it. Yes, you don't come. Meanwhile, we get collision, they stay. Yes, they sleep. Yes. Okay, that's 45 minutes. It's closer than your own because it's on a free route. Me, you can take a port road. I spend 45 minutes, sometimes 50 minutes from the road of yes. That is why you don't have any. It's only when you get to the main hills. Yes, you know, big problem. Don't worry. Clean that. Just either you change that terminal. You can just change it. You clean the amount of your clean and well one time. Now that smoke will fear you. Ah, yes, now because you put water, no, do anything. No. Buy motor now. 7. Yes, now. You know, you go buy a smaller car when they don't use.
If you hold that money, it will make you spend that money. If you hold that money, I leave my money, I leave my car. Okay, you won't use the plastic, but don't do it.
I'm not going to go right condom.
Go ahead now.
I was typing condom. This condom. One of my uncle in my former place of work, not China, when you go on air, go read the China, state of Virginia. State of China. Before we leave that,
do not enter here.
Chief, morning, sir.
I like the money, but the guy already took me 50k days. I like the money, but don't come again.
This center, no, Mumbai center here. Allah. Madam.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, class. Please, you cannot do your coverage, your video coverage here. Please, I would advise you to go to
Okay, that place.
Yes, thank you.
Not here.
No, it's not here.
Where? Okay.
That's I'm already at the PDP secretariat, sir. That's what I have to say. That's the police has already taken over the place. Yes, sir. That's the police has already taken over now.
Say around 50. 50 is too much.
They go reach 50. Oh. No, they go reach 50.
Yes.
At least.
At least. You're not going to describe it.
You're not going to.
So even the staff of the place, that's I'm not
They enter. But that was
If they are leaving, you will still get them.
you will see them, but me, you like TV, you like to see them coming out.
exactly. If not, if we are running our this will be shaking.
If you want to do that, if they say they are going to come,
I'm taking it for granted. That is like our profession. You understand? Yeah, he broke.
So if you go now,
If you don't free from oh, okay, do joy.
Take him, let him walk to the boys.
Amaka, you are still in this your carelessness. See the other woman.
Okay, so they don't turn officials?
Yes, now.